Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how we can do bubbles in bubblegum like Boomer, Center Fresh, Center Fruit, etc. Here I have Center Fruit. Okay, I have two numbers. For better effect, use two piece of bubble gum like boomer center fresh or center fruit. Here I have center fruit. Okay, see here i have already um, I have already put two bubble gum in my mouth. Okay, to do bubbles, what you have to do, first you have to chew your center fruit or bubble gum until the flavor vanish. Okay, so completely to get out from that flavor, you got to chew like this. Okay, it takes up to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you will feel no flavor in your gum. Okay, then you go to, with your tongue, you go to make your gum like a ball inside your mouth. See here, like a ball. Okay, then flat the ball, flat the flat it. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, then slowly blow. Okay, sometimes bigger bubble will come. See here, again I do it. This is too very small. I will try one more. See here, what a book. Wow. That's all. Bye.